our reason to celebrate, our reason to dine, our reason to enjoy. Good company and wine, family and friends, make some noise! This is the icon of the presence and the energy of our crowd. How about we start this lovely program with a big round of applause? Parinig naman sa malakas na palakpakan. Ramay ka sa mga hiyawan! Para naman! Mas malakas sa likod ng palakpakan naman ka sa mga hiyawan! Alright, once again, good evening everyone. Welcome to the fabulous, glamorous birthday celebration for our lovely birthday celebration for tonight, none other than Naida France. By the way, I would like to introduce myself. My name is host Sandy, and I will be your host for this amazing occasion. And I want to welcome you here at Alnapat Garden here in White Rock. For sure, we'll have fun and exciting activities, so please stay tuned. Sit back and relax. Palakpakan ulit dyan! Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to acknowledge all our guests, especially sa ating mga VIP. Welcome to our newcomers, mga Alicia and Sir Abu, for this lovely occasion as we celebrate for Night of France White Party. Lahat po ba na okay? O yung iba nakaitin? Pero okay lang yan. Walang problema, at least nakapag-white tayo lahat. And now, ladies and gentlemen, are you all excited to meet and witness our fabulous, glamorous birthday celebration for tonight, Night of France? Say yes, come on! Lahat po magsitayuan as we welcome our fabulous, glamorous birthday celebrant for tonight, herself, Miss Naida France, on her grand entrance. Let's give her a big round of applause.